Good Tuesday. Oh, I think we're doing something a little fun today. I came across a 1943 A1 sauce print ad. It's called Hot Cheese Blimps. And essentially, it's just soft breadcrumbs. You have 2 cups of soft breadcrumbs, 3 eggs beaten, and American cheese grated. I bought a block of cheese, and we grated it. American. Wartime. Stuff. Deep fried. We form little blimpies with the soft breadcrumbs, cheese, and eggs. Added some A1, dash of cayenne, little bit of salt, and we serve it. We serve it in some hot tomato sauce. Tomatoes spiced with A1. It says in the ad, men love cheese. Men love A1. They're not gonna miss the meat. It's wartime. They're rationing. 1943. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Oh, I'm missing a glove. No. That was my last glove. Okay. Except for the little black bits of cheese, they look pretty good. Oh, I can smell the A1. Holy moly, I can smell the A1. They look pretty good. Half a pound is a lot of cheese. So maybe we need more breadcrumbs or less cheese. Ow. Ow. There's a little one. Wow. They look good. Hot cheese blimps from 1943. You think they're cooked all the way through? I have no idea. Here we go. Ooh, it's going to be hot. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh. Okay, they do have to be small. Don't go big like I did on the first couple. I can't tell if it's cooked or if that's melted cheese. I think it's cooked. You'd think that amount of eggs would be cooked. Mmm. That's a lot of cheese. Wow. Cheesy bread. Cheesy bread. Let's take a bite of this without the sauce. There's a lot of cheese. It's almost like a grilled cheese sandwich with egg. I might prefer it with the sauce. Let's try it with the sauce. Original recipe will be in the description. I think 8 ounces of cheese is just too much. It also might help them hold together, although they held together pretty well, even though I could see some cheese popping out while we were frying them. I do like the A1 and the tomato sauce. Let's just take another look at this. See, it looks a little shiny in there. It could be cheese, it could be egg, I don't know. I'm guessing the egg cooked in that hot oil. All right, I think we're checking out, man. We're checking out. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.